Shelly's name spelled with an I or what?
Need some time.
Uh-oh.
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa!
Yeah,
That's
foil
awesome.
wrapper, huh?
From the metal, yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize.
Okay, all right. It's shaking. I'm
Let's
not
seal
like.
it with a little bit of bubble.
Yeah, it's foil. It's starting to ooze.
It's getting like.
Yes, I think we did.
I'm calling it.
Fine,
Well, that's
King
it.
Kong
It,
dog.
it smells
Sounds
wonderful.
like you're talking
Yeah,
about
I think my lungs will be safe from cavities now.
Yeah. Fluoride.
That's where my brain goes. He is a Simpson.
Okay, that's weird.
So when you microwave toothpaste, you get hot toothpaste.
Yep.
That's weird.
And it oozes lava. Do you want more?
No, I would like real food. Not the goldfish are not real food.
It
Hungry.
almost looks
I'm
like the
just
soap
hungry.
texture.
I didn't really.
That's weird. Okay.
I'm gonna wait for.
Where?
That?
Are those ping pong balls?
Yeah, they are.
I'm being unnecessarily violent. I apologize. Woo! I like when things explode.
Pyrology. This is science.
Science is not violence.
Pyrography.
Whoa!
Okay.
Yes!
That's
Okay.
awesome.
This is exciting!
Okay.
You got the extinguisher?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, the glass, the glass.
Okay.
You got the extinguisher?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, the glass, the glass. Turn it off,
get
turn
in
it off,
there.
turn it off, dude.
Oh, yeah.
What the? This is your job. You had one job.
Ben!
Turn it off. Okay.
That was pretty awesome.
Whoa!
Fire! You have the thing. Use the button. Push the button. I got it.
That's a chicken. I can't help it.
It's out.
I've never experienced fire before. That was awesome.
I lit my hair on fire once, and so I've never recovered from that.
It went out when I sprayed it the first time. It's okay.
Freezing actually.
Yeah.
All talk.
Whoa.
There's a.
But now I finally protect the right thing.
Right.
Yeah.
I finally protect the
What do you
right
mean?
thing.
Trying
I'm
to see if
hiding
this will peel
behind
off.
my legs because I'm
Why- what
protecting
is
my
it?
hand. So I'm finally
it.
learning
What is
to
it?
protect
Oh,
the
it's the
right
protective
thing.
layer.
Yeah.
That was like this.
Oh,
This is a really good idea.
this is a great idea.
No, I need to.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
that's just the
whoa,
thing that
that's foul.
protects you from the microwave rays.
Okay. Okay.
Ah!
Have the fire extinguisher handy.
Yep.
for
Yes,
this.
and yeah,
Yep.
and if things start to explode.
Just give it a
No,
minute
I'm serious.
and then get in there. See a lot of smoke coming out the back.
Okay.
Smells kind of
We could always just start the light bulbs in with them
Yeah,
instead
sure.
of taking those out first.
Sure. Sure.
Okay.
Oh, there's the fumes.
Well, it is lit up though.
See, they're lit
Okay,
up.
yeah, now that it's open.
No
they-
one
yeah.
believes.
Don't inhale.
Yeah.
Are we just leaving them in there?
Yeah.
Maybe we should take them out.
Okay.
Excuse me, stop inhaling.
Do you want to spritz? Do you want to spritz with the extinguisher? No, you're good.
Why?
Okay.
Jenna's like, what are you talking about?
Oh,
I'm tough.
that is bad.
Okay.
Don't inhale the fumes.
Go, Shanna. Try
Okay.
That woman
Some.
with a knife. She's hilarious.
Alright, watch it this time.
That's the official Science-y prodding tool.
Shanna is a
Look at
great
the
science assistant. You're a great science assistant. You're not scared of nothing.
I know I should have brought.
Wait for that shit.
Get some.
Excuse me. That
Get
was a little
some.
scary.
I like all the different colors.
Can we get a refund on that first one?
One of them
Because
exploded. The other ones are
Yeah.
just like, eh.
I think that first one was defective.
That's exciting. Yeah, that was a
Just
cool
sweep
one.
it up
was
into.
gonna
Can I get a
burn out
refund?
fast.
Yeah.
Shoddy craftsmanship there. Not meant to
just
handle a
bought
microwave
these
for
today.
3 seconds. Oh!
I don't know. The light
don't know
bulbs
each other.
might beat the ping pong balls, but I'm not
I
sure.
know. This is
this
more
is,
entertaining.
balls
It's not just like
evaporating
fire. It's
into
actually
dust.
like a.
Guys, this
Yeah,
is
but-
pretty
no,
exciting.
but
Come
this-
on. They're
but
lighting
this
up with the
lasts
lightning
for a
inside
while.
of
That's
them.
true.
Like, you know,
I
They're
will
lighting
give you
up
that.
with lightning. Is that what you said?
Yes.
We needed
Smoking.
a colored light bulb.
We got
Yeah.
smoking.
Because we're
Yeah.
Just
I had
because
a
we're
rainbow
inducing a
one.
current.
That would have been cool.
Because it would be like random colors.
We
So
need
you
to
got
go
like
to
a halogen
Walmart.
bulb,
I
high
vote we
efficiency
go to
bulb.
Walmart and then buy some bulbs and some colored lights and then come back and then
I'm
go
not
to
sure
dinner.
that the colored light bulbs would be even safe though, because I don't know what kind
Does
of
any part of this
gases
seem safe to you,
would-
Tiffany?
I know that, like, the
Sitting back here is kind of safe,
Not really.
There's oven mitts over there.
Okay.
That's safe.
right?
You just
have a
lost
fire
point.
extinguisher.
Like a tall boy, but okay.
Safety and throw it out the window.
We gonna kill this? Yeah.
I'm not gonna kill it.
This
Yeah.
seems done.
It is.
yeah,
The metal is like glowing. and melting.
Okay, ready?
I'm gonna-
I would hit that.
Don't. Oh.
You just love shooting little fire.
back
Okay.
away, Shanna.
He didn't tell her that he was doing that. She didn't know.
Yeah, see,
Right,
I-
because she's just
I would-
standing there in the middle of
What